This is the easy way to hardwire your backup camera. There's a little hole, boot under here, right there, next to the wire harness. Just cut this little tip off right here, or you can cut a hole in it if you like. And then we're going to hardwire it into the fuse box here. Be back with you in a minute. I initially had it hooked into the fuse box here, and I couldn't get the cover back on. You can see the clothes hanger wire has come through the hole up top next to the wiring harness. I'm gonna tie a piece of wire onto there and pull it back through. I'm gonna try it this way. I'm just gonna put a little tight loop in the wire. I'm gonna push it back up as far as I can to the hole with my hand, like that. I'm going back outside and pull it through. Okay, back outside, pull it on the wire, and there she comes. Beautiful as ever. Check that out, y'all. I'm sliding this little boot back on there that I cut, and I'm going to use this liquid tape. It's very good. Make sure any water gets back up into the car. Get this from Harbor Freight Tubes. I ordered these little babies from Temu, T-E-M-U. Takes about a week for them to get back, but they're a tenth of the price from the store. Only paid like $1.15 or something. So I just got both sizes. Matter of fact, I got 3. I like to tint my wires before I put the butt splicers on and help them to stay on better. Don't forget to put your heat shrink on there. There's 2 or 3 spaces that you can wire this. There's one here and one here next to the horn on my car. This side. This side is the hot side. So that's the side you want to put your wire to when you put your little fuse in there. Some of them, you have to put the fuse on the side where the wire is. On this one, I will put one fuse right here. If I needed to replace the original fuse, I can go into one of these that's not switched. I'm gonna try it unswitched so it'll be hot all the time. The camera has a 24-hour surveillance with a backup battery, but I just want to see how it works right here. So if I want to hook it to something that is wired with the switch, I would just take like one of these that comes on when only the switch is on, and if I did that, I would have to put 2 fuses in here. This one would be to replace the one that's in the hole. So I'm gonna put one here. Okay, here we are, hardwired. Hardwired. the front. I have the hood up. That's the back. It has dual. It looks really good at night. You can see that. It's adjustable. Got this from Tumi, $59. It's my third camera. This one has 2K in the front and 1080p in the back. 170-degree angle in the front and 140 in the back. Beautiful picture. The other one was grainy, had horizontal lines. This one is no distortion whatsoever. You can see I ran my wires up there. I put them in the headliner down through here. No wires. I put the original box in. This time I had to run the wires around the headliner to the back, and I used clothes hanger wire, poke it in through the back, hid everything, zip tied everything. Looks pretty good. No wires showing except for right here. That's it. Those are the only wires showing.